Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. It's also helpful to have a clean workspace to keep all your parts organized. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the wall outlet. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it feels stuck. This step will expose the internal wiring and the power cable connection. Take a moment to inspect the existing cable for any visible damage. If you notice fraying or breaks, it's crucial to replace it. Now, locate the cable connection point. There will be two wires connected to the power supply. You'll need to disconnect these. Using your wire cutters, carefully snip the wires, making sure not to cut any other wiring in the process. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which could save you the hassle. With the old cable removed, take your new power cable and strip the ends of the wires if they aren't already stripped. Attach the appropriate wires to the connection points, ensuring a secure fit. It's important to match the colors of the wires correctly, typically, black to black and white to white. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Once the wires are connected, double-check that they are secure and not exposed. You can use electrical tape to cover the connections for added safety. Next, position the back panel back onto the vacuum body, ensuring all components fit snugly together. Reinsert the screws that you set aside earlier and tighten them with your Phillips screwdriver. Before you finish, take a moment to clean the inside of the vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate, so use a soft cloth or a vacuum cleaner attachment to remove any buildup around the motor and other internal components. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Dyson. Now, plug your vacuum back into the power outlet and test it to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, if you're not comfortable performing this replacement or if you'd rather leave it to the professionals, don't hesitate to reach out. With our services, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, allowing you to get your Dyson HD01 back in action with ease. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.